Hey, what's up? Today's video is about the PC that I built as my project during the lockdown. I'm a Call of Duty Warzone streamer and I game, stream, and record in 1440p from this PC on YouTube. This won't be a super technical video, but it will showcase all the components that I use to achieve this. Here's a clip from one of my streams where I zoomed in to the in-game FPS counter.
I guess there's a loadout below me. You can grab that.
For those wondering, my frame rate while gaming, streaming, and recording in 1440p usually falls between 130 to 180 frames per second.
4 loadouts below.
Guy on top of water tower.
He's down. He's down.
He'll kill himself. On top of
Anybody have aim?
The case is a Lian Li 011 Air Mini in black. Every panel but the tempered glass side is meshed for optimal airflow. I'm a big fan of this case as it gives the look of a small form factor PC with size for a 3-slot GPU and RTX components. As you can see, I've gone for an all black and white build. I've got 10 Lian Li SL120 fans in the case. The front 2 on the radiator are intake, the bottom 2 are intake, the rear is exhaust, the top 3 are exhaust, and the 2 side fans are also exhaust. Speaking of cooling, my cooler is an NZXT Z53 all-in-one, and the front mounted radiator measures in at 240 millimeters. It has a customizable LCD screen that I've currently got showing the CPU and GPU temps. The power supply is a 750 watt Seasonic Focus Gold, and the motherboard is an Asus TUF X570. The workhorse of the PC is the graphics card. It's an Aorus RTX 3080 and this thing is huge. It fits in the case with millimeters to spare, and I'm not sure if you caught it, but I've got an anti-sag bracket in there as well for safety. The RAM is DDR4 64GB of G-Skill Trident Z Royal. The CPU is a Ryzen 9 5900X and it pairs really well with the GPU, and it's great at multitasking. I don't experience any buffering or slowing down while gaming, streaming, and recording at the same time. Thanks for checking out my PC, and all the Amazon affiliate links will be in the description below.